Muzata offers personalized railing design service for free. We can save your time for researching with a custom total solution, which includes everything you need like posts, handrails, terminals, cable, and tools. If you are a beginner and not sure about how to plan your railing project, we could save you the hassle. Just send a simple sketch and answer a few easy questions. Our engineers will be able to assist you to design the whole railing project and recommend the right products. After the solution is confirmed, there will be a shopping list with prices and a total budget for you. You can just follow it to place an order within 5 minutes and get all the materials in a couple of days. By following the tutorial video step by step, you can install them easily all by yourself. In case you need extra support while installing, our experienced tech support team is always ready to assist you.
Muzata.